This morning, something funny happened to me. Well, not funny at the time, but funny now. I woke up late. My alarm didn't ring, or at least, I think it didn't ring. Maybe I turned it off in my sleep. You ever do that? I jumped out of bed, grabbed the first t-shirt I saw, made terrible coffee, and ran out the door thinking, how am I already losing control of my day? But here's the interesting part, and this is what I want you to notice. Even on days when everything goes wrong, we still follow a routine, a pattern, a rhythm. And today I want to show you how those rhythms become powerful English. If you can describe your daily routine, even in simple sentences, you can talk to anyone. A coworker, a neighbor, a classmate, a new friend. So let's do this together. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you'll feel ready to describe your day naturally, confidently, and in real, everyday English. Let me start with my mornings, but this time the normal ones. I wake up at 7, I stretch, I check my phone, even though I know I shouldn't, and then I make coffee, strong coffee. Now listen closely. I wake up, I get up. These are different. Wake up means abrir los ojos. Get up means levantar da cama. Let's put them into a story. I wake up at 7, but I get up at 7:15 because I'm tired. See? Realistic. Natural. Human. Not a list, a life. Now imagine this conversation. Luke, so what time do you wake up? Leave a pause. Let the audience answer. Nice. And do you get up right away or do you stay in bed a little? This simulation creates real practice without the boring part. Let me take you into another moment of my day. I arrive at work, usually with coffee number 2 in my hand. I open my laptop, answer messages, and plan my lessons. Useful expressions. I start work at. I check my email. I have a meeting at 10. I take a short break. But here's the curiosity loop. There's one thing I learned that completely changed how I talk about routines. It's simple, but people rarely notice it. You'll understand in a minute. Before that, another scene. Coworker. Hey Luke, how's your morning going? Luke. Pretty good. I'm just finishing some work. This is how Americans actually speak. Short, friendly, natural. Not robotic, like, I am finishing my work at the moment. That sounds like you're reading a textbook. So here's the secret I promised. Daily routine English is always short plus direct. Native speakers don't use long sentences here. They use rhythm. Evenings matter too, because people love asking, how was your day? What do you usually do after work? Here's how I'd answer, and how you can model it. I get home around 6. I make dinner, watch something on YouTube, and try not to fall asleep on the couch. Again, human, honest, simple. Notice the pattern. I get home at. I make. I watch. I go to bed at. Mini story. Last week, I tried to go to bed early. It didn't work. I scrolled on my phone for 45 minutes, and I know you do that too. This creates connection and teaches English. Let's pretend we're talking right now. Luke, tell me about your morning. Do you wake up early or late? Pausing. And what's the first thing you do when you get up? Pausing. Nice. And in the evening? Do you relax or do you stay busy? Pausing. This is how learners internalize the language through guided imagination. If you can describe morning, work, evening, you can carry 60% of everyday conversations in English. Daily routines build confidence because they're predictable. You already know your day. You just need the English to talk about it. And now, you do. Before you go, here's something important. Learning English is not about memorizing. It's about living small moments in a new language. And that's exactly what we're doing here every day. If this video helped you, even a little, leave a like so YouTube knows this kind of content matters. And if you want to take the next step, watch the next lesson I prepared for you. It's linked right here, and it will help you sound more natural when you talk about your plans in English. I'll see you there. Keep learning and keep smiling.